As a crane operator, you'll be required to rig the crane to meet various site requirements. One of these configurations will be to install and use the crane's swing around fly jib attachment. Because of modern crane design and the advancement of crane boom technology, the requirement to use jib attachments are decreasing. This, however, places an even greater need for the operator to be fully conversant with the correct sequence for installation in accordance with manufacturer's instructions. The increase in accidents during this simple procedure is the reason for this overview of the correct procedure to be used. All mobile cranes are different to some extent, and their rigging procedures will differ. Therefore, it's an important requirement to have available the manufacturer's instructions for the crane to make reference to if needed. Your own safety is of the utmost importance. You must never endanger yourself during this operation. If there is a requirement to access areas of the crane from a ladder, ensure that this is footed and supported correctly, and that a harness is worn and correctly used. Hand lines are often used to aid the installation of the fly jib. This will be done with some assistance by others to the crane operator. By using the hand line, the possibility of damage to property and crane structure is greatly reduced. Some crane manufacturers use a fly jib support ramp to aid safe installation. If fitted, you must ensure that this is used as a first priority. All mobile cranes use support pins to correctly mount the fly jib to the boom stowage point and boom head when it is used in its working position. You must remove and place these pins in accordance with the crane manufacturer's instructions. The initial placing of the fly jib to the boom head will involve the operator manually pulling the fly jib along the support ramp to ensure correct alignment. Some crane manufacturers provide hydraulic assistance. When this first stage operation is completed, the first of the boom head section mounting pins can be placed and safety retaining clips inserted. Prior to the final swing operation of the fly jib to its working position, you must ensure that all the electrical connections, overhoist limit switch and the hoist rope are isolated, disconnected and placed so as to ensure that they are not damaged. Prior to swinging the fly jib around, a final check of the area is made to ensure no obstructions are in the way. With the assistance of another person, place the fly jib on the boom head. Whilst the assistant is holding the fly jib in place, you can lower the outriggers to reduce the height of the main boom head and the fly jib head. This will make placing the last of the pins, reeving of the hoist rope and positioning of the rope guide pulleys easier and safer. A final check of all necessary electrical connections, overhoist limit switch, hoist rope, hook block and anemometer if required will be done. The operator will re-level the crane and a final functional check and test of connections and functions will be made. A final check of correct RCI setting and hoist rope spooling are a vital and important final check prior to lifting. The crane is ready for lifting.